So, great news is the first print's completed. What that then means is that once the print's hit its finish point in the code, what it's now going to do is go down to the home position at the bed, home position on the X and Y axis, and what it's now going to do is cool down for us. Now, there's two things for the cool down. Number one, safety. We don't want to be touching hot things. And number two, that's also going to help us remove the part from the platform. Now, when we remove the part from the platform, it should just be a case of it will pop off. Now, there are certain circumstances where this doesn't happen. If we've used an adhesive, obviously that's to help it stick. So sometimes we need to run that under a cold tap to try and remove a little bit of that adhesive. Or what we can also do is use a scraper just to help us pry that off from the platform ever so slightly. Now, another tip for this is to make sure that we take the glass plate out of the machine, because what we don't want to do is cause any excess damage to the clamps and clips and things like that that hold the glass plate in position.